Hi guys, D900man here, and we've got another Cydia tweak for you today. This one is called AssistantEnhancer, and it brings up loads more features to Siri. So basically what this does, once you've downloaded it from the BigBoss repo, it enables you to ask it certain extra things, and it also will install assistant extensions. Now, there's been a lot of problems with assistant extensions that hasn't been fully updated to iOS 6. So one of the things that you need to do once AssistantEnhancer and Assistant Extensions is installed is go into Settings, scroll all the way down to Assistant Extensions, and make sure that SPS toggles and standard is turned off. Once you've done that, you can then go into AssistantEnhancer, and it's got a number of features in there. So as you can see, it says no, you must disable standard and SB toggles extensions under Assistant Extensions preferences, and failure to do so will result in crashes. So it offers a few things in the settings menu. It overrides the ability to not call the emergency services, and then you can put your emergency services dialer in there. It will then allow you to bring up a local event search popular shortcuts. It's got integrated music players, so it'll use Apple's own, Spotify or Grooveshark, and I'll show you that in a second. And then if you're using Spotify, it's got a number of different settings for that, and Pandora as well. So let's show you how this works. So it's got a number of different options. So first of all, it will turn on things like Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and vibration settings, so we'll just show you that. Turn on Bluetooth.
Bluetooth is now on.
Turn off Bluetooth.
Bluetooth is now off.
Okay, so if I play just a quick song here, okay, so Too Many Questions, and I can say find lyrics.
Here's what I found.
So there it's found the lyrics to the song that is playing. Now it can do a lot more with lyrics as well. So if I say, what are the lyrics to Thriller?
Here's what I found.
And then it finds the lyrics to Thriller by Michael Jackson. Now also, like you saw, it does a number of local searches. So I can say to it, what concerts are playing near me?
Here's what I found.
And it pauses for a second, and it's going out and finding that information, so you do get a little bit of a delay when it does this. And then it'll show you all the different concerts that are playing near my area. Now I can say, what concerts are playing in April near me?
Here's what I found.
So once again, you get that delay while it goes out and finds that information. And it'll just look for things that are playing in April. So if you wanted to find a special event and take somebody to that, there you go. You can then search for stuff on Netflix as well, and a number of different things. You can also do local searches in the App Store. So if I put find Angry Birds in the App Store.
Searching the web for Angry Birds on App Store.
Okay, we'll try that again. Search the App Store for Angry Birds.
Searching the App Store for Angry Birds.
So you get a small delay once again with this while it goes to the App Store, finds out all that information, and there you are. So then I can click on this and it'll take me straight into the App Store and take me straight to Angry Birds. Now you can do this with a number of different things. So I could search for things on eBay, for instance. Search iPhone 4S on eBay. So there we go, it takes me straight to eBay, and it didn't understand quite, it says iPhone fluorescent, but it did take me to eBay. I could then go to Amazon as well. Search Amazon for Apple iMac. There you go, it's taken me to Amazon and it's searched there for the Apple iMac. So you can search Urban Dictionary and a number of different things. It'll also find you pictures. Find me a picture of a Cocker Spaniel.
If you like, I can search the web for picture of a Cocker Spaniel.
Okay. Didn't want it to search the web. You have to pose some of these in the correct way. Show me a picture of a Cocker Spaniel.
Here's what I found for Cocker Spaniel.
And there you go. And now in version 1.1 I can either save that or copy that picture as well. It does a number of assistant queries as well. So I can say, how much storage space do I have left?
You have approximately 4.17 gigabytes remaining.
And then I can find out what memory I have left. What memory do I have available?
You have used 516 megabytes of 660 megabytes and have 144 megabytes available.
And one of the great things about AssistantEnhancer is the ability for it to remember where you've parked your car and then where you know, give you directions. So if I say, remember where I parked the car.
Okay, I won't forget.
And then if I went and did my shopping, I could come back and say, where's my car?
Here are directions.
And then if I push to find navigation, because I haven't moved, it won't be able to give me directions because I'm right in the same place. And then it will take you directly to websites as well. So I can go to 9to5Mac.
I didn't find any places matching 9to5Mac.
Go to 9to5Mac.com. And then it's put hyphens in there, so it does work a little bit, you just need to phrase those correctly. So this has been our review of AssistantEnhancer. Absolutely great feature, adds so many different things to Siri. One last thing that I'm going to show you is the ability for this to work with Spotify. Now if you are a Spotify lover and you use it a lot, if you go to AssistantEnhancer, change your music player to Spotify, and see this works. Now I did have troubles with this working with an English accent, but here we go. Play Justin Timberlake.
So,
There we go, it takes me straight into Spotify and it finds Justin Timberlake. So thanks very much for watching and we will catch you real soon in the next one.